Hello everyone. Today let's learn about what is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is studied as a foundation of designing and analyzing digital system, which is also the mathematics of digital system. A variable is a symbol of use to represent an action, condition or data. So a single variable can only have a value of 1 or 0, which is true and false, on and off, or yes or no. So a complement represents the inverse of a variable using over bar. So example is A converting to A bar or A apostrophe. You can consider that A bar is a opposite of the A. And lastly, literal is a variable or its complements. So example is AB plus C bar is considered as 3 literals, and AB plus C bar B bar plus D is considered as 4 literal, since B and B bar is considered as 1 literal. Now let us apply the Boolean algebra into our daily real life scenario, which is automatic plant watering system. So we create a condition which is the system will turn on the water pump by creating a y equals to 1 and 3 sensor condition, which is A, the moisture sensor, 1 equals to wet and 0 for dry. B is temperature sensor, 1 is detect the hot and 0 for cold. And C for the light sensor, 1 is bright and 0 is dark. Next, we apply the rules, which is rule 1, water when the soil is dry and the temperature is low. Rule 2, water when light is low or soil is dry and the temperature is high. Rule 3, water when soil is dry and temperature is high or light is low. First, we need to apply the rules together with our condition. So rule 1, water when soil is dry. If we look at soil is dry, means moisture sensor is A, so we put an A. And dry means 0. So 0 is false. False means the inverse of the variable. So we need to add a bar at the top of A. And the temperature is low. So low is temperature sensor B, and cold. Low means cold. Since it's 0, so we add a bar. And for rule 2 and rule 3 is the same. So light is low, light is C, and it is dark means bar. Soil is dry, A bar. Temperature is high, B. And rule 3, water when soil is dry, temperature is high or light is low, C bar, A bar, and B. Once we have done applying the rules with our condition, we can get our Boolean algebra with Boolean expression through our rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3. So for rule 1, y will be our water pump when it is true. So y equals to A bar times B bar, since it is an AND condition. And rule 2, y equals to C bar, or means plus soil is dry A bar, and times B, temperature is high. And rule 3 is A bar times N B plus or C bar. So in order to create a Boolean expression, we just add up the rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3 condition, which will become y equals to A bar times B bar plus C bar plus A bar times B plus A bar times B plus C bar.
Hello, I'm Yang Min. So thank you for joining me. I'm continue to doing the video 2 for the part C and part B. So in part A and part B, Jeremy doing the Boolean expressions, which is this, and now I'm doing the simplified Boolean expressions. So to simplify this, how do I get the answer? Actually is follow the rule. So this is what we get from part B. And now we have to simplify this. So it will become A prime B prime plus C prime plus A prime B plus C. So and now follow the rules. We have 2C, but we just take 1. So what we get, we'll get this. And after that, b plus b equal to, so it will be a prime 1 plus c. And actually this, we can ignore the 1, so the final answer is a prime plus c prime. Okay, now we simplify the Boolean expressions y equal to a prime plus c prime. So what we're going to do next is create a truth table and a cat map table with these 3 variables. So we can see these 3 variables represent different cases. So we can see A is moisture, so 1 is equal to wet and 0 equal to dry. So temperature 1 is equal to hot, 0 equal to cold. C is 1 is black and 0 is dark. So this is how the truth table looks like, and I'm going to explain how I getting this table a prime plus c prime. So this is because we need to look to this symbol plus. So in Boolean algebra, plus is meaning to or. So what it means is used to combine condition where only what one needs to be true for the result to be true. So what it means? This only false when this variable, these 2 variables become false. So we can see here, true true become true, true false become true, and false false become false. So this is how the rule works. Okay, so this is how the table look like, and we're going to fill up this cat map for y equal to a prime plus c prime. So how we're going to fill out this? We need to follow the true false statement here. So we can see here 0 0 0, and when it is true, we write down 1. So we can see here 0 0 0 is true, so we write down 1. So this only 2 false here, which is 0 1 0, 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. So we find out 1 0 1 is false and 1 1 1 is false. So the remain is true. And now we're going to circle all the variable which can be connected. So here to here, this 4 variable, and also here this 4 variable. So this 2 table is proof how the y equal to a prime plus c prime. So this my part. So thank you.
Okay, so now I want to explain about the question 2 part E. So question is draw a logic circuit diagram based on your simplified expression. So here is, we have A and input C. So the question is y equal to not A plus not C. So not A not C. So y equal to not A plus not C. Okay, so now we come to part F. So part F is prepare a short explanation of how your system works. So our system is about the automatic plant watering system. So A is present the moisture sensor. So if 1 is equal to wet and 0 is present dry and C is light sensor, so 1 is present bright and 0 is present dark. Okay, so now I have simple truth table to show how our system works. So let's fill in binary first. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Here is 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, and here is 1 1 1 0. Okay, so the automatic watering system. So if A equal to 1 wet, so wet then mean that the watering system will not open. If dry, then the watering system will open. Okay, so the soil is dry and it's dark, so we are on. And soil is dry and it's bright, also we are on. Soil is wet and it's dark, because it's dark, so also we are on. But if the soil is wet and it's bright, then it will now auto to open, so it's off. Okay, here is my simple explanation of the automatic watering system. Thank you.